What up, guys? Today we're going to be pulling this broken engine, seized up engine out of this Argo so we can install a new one. So let's get started. So guys, we figured out the engine was seized. Talked to the owner. They asked if I could pull this engine out so we can see the chassis so they can get a replacement engine. So that's what we're going to do. I'm removing it out today. That's what's going to go on in this video. So I got to unhook all these wires and stuff. Okay guys, we're into the final stretch of this, and it's probably not the easiest part either. It should be easy, but it ain't easy because you really can't see, you're really filling, and that's these are the engine mount boats, and you kind of got to feel for them because there ain't a whole lot seeing down in this the way these are designed. So let's get started. Let's pull all these off. Yeah, it sucks. I have to. It would be hard to lay it all in there. It really sucks. All right, we got the engine loose. Now let me show you why it was such a pain. You got boats that you got to go reach all the way under here and get. You really can't see them. Boats right in here. Boats back in there. Yeah, that was a real pain. A lot of time in getting that loose. So let's get lift this engine up now. Well, there you have it, guys. It is out. I got to pull that off for the customer, measure the crankshaft so he can get a replacement engine to slide up in here. Hopefully the new one won't be such a pain to put in, but it probably will be, not gonna lie. So yeah, anyway guys, Argo engine removal, pain. Anyway guys, if you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Hope you enjoyed this. I will see y'all in the next one.